Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Inverter Generator in 2025. Top 1. maXpeedingrods 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator with Bluetooth registered trademark control start and display, RV ready, electric start, quiet for outdoor camping, home backup, garden, PGMA compliant. Bluetooth app remote control. The MXR4000 GT portable generator comes equipped with Bluetooth app remote start, electric start, and recoil start capabilities. You can quickly and easily start the generator, greatly enhancing its ease of operation. And the app instantly examines the power output, fuel level, voltage, frequency, single running time, accumulated running time, and other information, let you easily stay informed about generator status. RV emergency charging. The generator comes with an NEMAL5-30R RV outlet and an adapter, simplifying the charging process so you can charge the RV with ease and convenience. Say goodbye to the stress of RV charging and enjoy carefree travels. Versatile power supply. Dual fuel design allows for operation on both gasoline, 4000 peak watts, 3200 rated watts, and propane, 3600 peak watts, 3000 rated watts, giving you great flexibility during an emergency. Only 52.9 pounds, lightweight and compact, easy transport and storage. You can easily take it along with you on your outdoor camping, tailgating, RV travel, or as home backup power under extreme weather. Top 2. Generac 7127i Q3500 3500 watt gas-powered portable inverter generator. Durable, lightweight design, speed selection for quiet performance or maximum power, CARB compliant, orange-black. Portable power solution, designed for easy portability. The IQ3500 is both durable and lightweight, making it the ideal power source for your outdoor adventures. From your tailgating parties to camping trips, the Jobsite and beyond, it has you covered. Easy startup. The generator features electric start with a battery included and an intuitive power dial that integrates start, run, and stop functions into one simple-to-use dial, making startup quick and hassle-free. PowerRush advanced technology. This portable inverter generator offers over 50% more starting capacity, making it perfect for powering tools and motor-driven equipment, allowing you to accomplish more with ease. Quieter operation. The IQ3500 inverter generator offers a 40% reduction in noise compared to other generators. Thanks to advanced inverter technology and enclosure design, while also delivering 16% more power, allowing you to accomplish more with less. Top 3. A-iPower portable inverter generator. 7600W dual fuel electric start, RV ready, EPA and CARB compliant company sensor, with telescopic handle for backup home use, tailgating and camping. SUA 7600i. Powerful engine 322 cc's OHV high performance 4-cycle engine. This portable inverter generator has an engine that is fuel efficient, reliable, powerful, providing a long life and excellent heat dissipation, high output plus quiet. 7,600 starting watts with 6,100 running watts on gas and 6,900 starting watts with 5,500 running watts on propane. Sound level as low as 62 decibels. Pure power, 3% THD of clean power output. Inverter technology provides clean, stable source of power for sensitive electronics such as laptops, TVs, phone chargers and sensitive power tools. Low idle technology plus compact design, lightweight for easy transport and mobility with telescoping handle and flat free wheels. Extended runtime of 10 hours at 25% load with 3.6-gallon fuel tank. Fuel sense technology. This portable inverter generator automatically switches from propane to gasoline for a combined runtime of up to 21.2 hours at 25% load. Top 4. AIVOLT Dual Fuel Inverter Generator 8000 Wattages 50 amp gas propane powered super quiet portable inverter generator for home use, camping, travel, RV, job site, 50 state approved. Powerful and efficient performance. The AIVOLT inverter generator features a 322 cc 4-stroke OHV air-cooled copper winding engine, delivering 8,000 starting watts and 6,100 running watts. With an eco switch, enjoy over 10 hours of runtime at 25% load, maximizing fuel efficiency and saving costs. Quiet and portable, operating at just 62 dBA from 23 feet, this generator runs quietly, making it ideal for camping, RV trips, and job sites. Weighing only 129 pounds, it's easy to transport with its compact design, telescopic handle, and two 7-inch never flat wheels. Dual fuel versatility. Seamlessly switch between propane and gasoline with AIVOLT's automatic fuel switching technology. The inverter technology ensures clean, reliable power, safe for sensitive electronics like phones, laptops, and small power tools. Upgraded low-temperature battery. Extended standby time means you don't have to worry about starting issues after long storage. Reliable in extreme conditions. It operates between -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Top 5. WEN DF451i Super Quiet 4500 Watt Electric Start Dual Fuel RV Ready Portable Inverter Generator with Fuel Shutoff. Dual fuel design runs on both gasoline, 4500 surge watts, 3500 rated watts, and propane, 4500 surge watts, 3150 rated watts. Auto fuel selection technology automatically switches from propane to gasoline for longer run times. EPA 3 and CARB compliant 212 cc engine provides extremely quiet operation, 58 dBA at quarter load, 22 feet, produces clean power to prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets and laptops, includes keyless electric start, backup recoil starter, fuel shutoff for easier maintenance, onboard wheels and carrying handle, 2. 3-prong 120V receptacles, 1 RV-ready AC 120V NEMATT30R receptacle, 1 12V DC receptacle, 1 5V USB port, a digital load and fuel display, and a 3-year limited warranty. Top 6. Generac 2106WH Portable Power Station with Lithium-Ion Battery, Clean, Emission-Free Power, Wirless Charging Pad and Compact Design, Camping, RV, Indoor-Outdoor Use, Orange-Black. Portable power anywhere. Enjoy the benefits of clean, emission-free power anywhere with the Generac 80 26GB 2000. Ideal for home use, camping trips, and other outdoor activities, this portable power station provides reliable energy, fast solar recharging. Experience fast and versatile recharging with the GB2000. Achieve 0 to 80% charge in just 3.3 hours from a wall outlet, or use solar, car, and generator inputs for efficient power supply. Compact and durable design, the GB2000 is designed to be lightweight, compact, and durable, making it easy to carry and transport. Its robust enclosure and ergonomic handle ensure long-lasting performance in various environments. Wireless charging convenience, simplify your charging experience with the built-in 15W wireless charging pad. Just place your compatible devices on the pad and enjoy hassle-free charging without the need for tangled cords.
Top 7.
Genmax Tri-Fuel Generator, 10,500 watt 458 cc's tri-fuel gasoline propane natural gas portable 58 generator with remote start, ideal for home backup power. Strong load capacity, GM10500i ETC has the maximum power among single-cylinder silent inverter generator. The whole machine can work stably at 8500 W running watts and 10,500 W starting watts on gasoline, 8000 W running watts and 9500 W starting watts on LPG, 6800 W running watts and 8400 W starting watts on natural gas. So large load starting current equipment, air compressor blower air conditioner can carry at one time. THD less than 3% perfect for sensitive equipment such as computer and cell phone. Diversified functional control panel, easy operation panel with remote start one button start electric start/ATS automatic control, etc. Diversified configuration, equipped with 1x120/214 VAC 30AL14-30R outlet, DC cigarette lighter outlet, 12 VDC 8.3A, 1x120/214 VAC 50A14-50R outlet, 4x120 VAC 20A5-20R outlet, company alarm, parallel connectors, battery charging port. Growatt portable power station, Helios 3600W electric solar generator, 3686WH Li-FePO4 battery, for home use, emergency, outdoor camping, RVs, power outages, solar panel optional. Tremendous power at your reach. The plug-and-play 3684.6 WH battery with 3600 W AC output, 4500 W with Watt Plus supports 99% of daily essential appliances for a relatively long time. 16 versatile output ports make it ideal for RVs and home emergencies. Scalable for whole home, expandable to a 240V battery system. 2 Helios 3601 split-phase connector required, with up to 7200 W/36 kWh to meet the power needs of your entire home for 4 to 7 days and simultaneously energize your whole house by connecting to a transfer switch. 6 charging methods. You have the flexibility to charge the battery with wall outlets, 3 hours at 120V, solar panels, 2.8 hours at 2000 W, car outlets, vehicle alternators, EV chargers, other types of generators, or 20+ combo input methods to achieve ultra-fast 3600 W charging in 1.5 hours.
Top 10.
Konner Sohnen dual fuel inverter generator, 4300 watt, super quiet, ultra lightweight, pure sine wave, company sensor, backup home use, outdoor, camping, RV ready, LPG gas powered, Kansas, 4000 IHSEO. Dual fuel flexibility, operate the Kansas, 4000 IHSEO on either gasoline or propane, LPG, for ultimate convenience. It comes with all necessary accessories for LPG use, including a gas hose and reducer for easy connection to a gas cylinder. Clean power for sensitive electronics, generates stable 120V 60 Hz pure sine wave output, making it safe to power sensitive devices like laptops, smartphones, and other electronics without risk of damage. Low noise level. With a special protective housing, this generator operates at a quiet 62 decibels at 23 feet, ensuring comfortable use without disturbing your surroundings, whether at home or outdoors. Fuel-saving Eco Mode. Save up to 50% on fuel consumption with Eco Mode, which automatically adjusts engine speed based on power demand, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly.
Top 9.
WEN GN875i RV Transfer Switch Ready 8750 Watt Electric Start Open Frame Inverter Generator, Black. 420 cc's 4-stroke OHV engine produces 8750 surge watts and 7000 rated watts. Generate clean power to safely operate sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets, televisions and computers. Lightweight body weighs 30% less than a traditional 8750 watt generator. 4.2-gallon gas tank provides up to 6.7 hours of half-load run time, includes electric start for easy ignitions, 4 120V NEMA 5-20R receptacles, 2 5V USB ports, 1 120V/240V transfer switch ready and EMA L14-30R twist lock receptacle, and 1 120V RV ready TT30R receptacle. Product weight with wheel kit, 136.7 pounds. Product weight without wheel kit, 133 pounds. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.